Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 1, we're going to be going over Chapter 1, Lesson 3. So here are the objectives. Make sure you go ahead and write them down. So example 6, we want to evaluate 6 times 4 times 2 minus 7 plus 5 times 1/5. And we want to name the property used in every step. So first of all, we still have to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Remember, we write up top so that we can cross it off as we go through each step. And so I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it here. Okay, so first thing we want to do is the parentheses. So as you can see here though, in the parentheses we have multiplication and subtraction, but multiplication comes first. So we have 8 minus 7. And this property will be called substitution. As we are just simplifying it. No other property has been done. So then we continue with the parentheses. So 6 times 1 now, plus 5 times 1/5. And once again, because we're only simplifying, it is the substitution property. So now we can cross out the parentheses. I do not have any exponents. Now I need to see, now I see I actually have multiplication and addition, but multiplication comes first. And I'm going to do one at a time. So 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5 times 1/5. And what property I actually used here was the multiplicative identity, because it is times 1, it's still itself. Alright, and another step, we finish multiplying. Remember, you can put it over 1. These cancel out, so it'd just be 1. This one, however, is not the multiplicative identity. It's actually the multiplicative inverse, because 5 over 1, the inverse is 1/5. And we're almost done. Let's simplify it. 6 plus 1 is 7, and that is substitution. And it's that easy. The only difference between this lesson and the previous lesson is that now you have to name the properties. So we want to become familiar with all the properties that we have.